Hey, and welcome to Tuesday. You do not have live class today, but as you know, you can get a hold of your teachers during your regular class periods. So jump into our Google Meet if you need a little bit of help. And then if we do not have our camera on, we are more than likely still there. So be a little patient and make a little noise. And if truly the teacher is never there, send a little Schoology message and we will find a time shortly to meet with you guys. The learning target for today is I can define our 5 vocab words for our new unit. And I can analyze different images and explain how they are related to our 5 vocab words. So for today, you want to first head into the warm-up. All right, and the warm-up question is, what is a natural resource and why are they important? Or, if you don't know what that is, what's one thing you learned about Africa from Monday's lesson? Now, if you happen to Google what a natural resource is, make sure you put it in your own words. It sounds a little ridiculous when you just copy the definition. Just hit this next button up here, and you will have the vocab and notes. You can either watch the video that was made where I go over the vocab words, I read the slides, but I also add a little bit of extra detail, some few more examples to try to make it as easy as possible to understand. And then if you're feeling a little bit more independent and super tired of my voice, which I understand, you can go through it on your own. So here are your different words. I will not read them here because it's obviously up there. You got 5 words to go over. And then sometimes Schoology has a lot of issues. So if you just click here, it'll send you to the link and hopefully that link works to get you to these slides. Moving forward, you take your new expertise on these words to today's assignment. Just some quick things. You're going to break down each See, Think, Wonder image, including at least 3 observations in each box. I'll go over that just a touch more in a second. Bold or underline or find a way to show which vocab word you think best fits the image. And then lastly, explain in 3 sentences how the image represents the vocab word. So you're thinking, how does the image show the vocab word? What is the point of the image? What's going on in the image? All things to help. And then as always, if you guys are confused or need a little help, feel free to ask your teacher during classwork time, teacher availability time, or through a Schoology message. Watch the directions video at the top of this very video if it helps out, and the extra resources available too. And then lastly, ask a friend. As long as you guys are working together, you're doing your own work, and you are meeting the learning targets, we do not care and we encourage you to work together. It's always nice to be with a friend. Before I let you go and stop being annoying, I'm just going to show the assignment quick. So we've all done See, Think, Wonders in class at Northview before. This is distance and it's not a live day. So basically, you're just going to look through the image. You're going to go, okay, what are 3 different things I see at least? If you want to do more, go for it. Just don't do less. What are 3 things you think when you see this image? And then lastly, what are 3 things that you wonder? What questions do you have? What could this be leading to? What's the point of it? And then it says circle. If you know how to do that, go for it. If you don't know how to do that, you can just go ahead and like bold one. So maybe you think this means natural resources. So you would highlight it, go up to the top. You can bold it. You could underline it. You could even, like, maybe you think it's that one, you could go about and erase the others, so just this one is around. And then the last thing you're going to do is explain how the vocab word you chose represents this picture. You'll need to write in full sentences and have at least 3 full sentences. So that's a skill you guys know I've been annoying you about, but it's very, very important. So you go back up, you look at the image, and you're like, okay, what's going on? How does this tie one of my vocab words? Feel free to go back to your Schoology page, and if you need some refreshers, go look up the notes again. There's no shame in that. You need to learn these words, and these words are designed to help you throughout the rest of the unit. So the most important thing is you understand those words and understand how to identify them and what they mean. So ask for some extra help if you need it. Use your resources if you need it. Reach out, work on it with a friend to make it a little bit more fun or to make it a little easier and work together. All of those things are awesome. Enjoy your day.